Professional VMware vSphere 7 by 2V0-21.20 exam updated questions are valuable in your preparation. Share some updated VMware 2V0-21.20 exam questions here. 1. An administrator wants to configure vCenter server high availability so that each node is located in a different data center. Which requirement must be met? Choose the best answer. A. Each node must be configured with at least 3 network adapters. B. Network latency between the nodes must be less than 10 milliseconds. C. All nodes must be located on a vSAN datastore in each data center. D. A vCenter server license must be assigned to each node. 2. Which feature is a prerequisite for configuring admission control on a cluster? Choose the best answer. A. vSphere Enhanced vMotion Compatibility, EVC. B. vSphere High Availability, HA. C. vSphere Fault Tolerance. D. vSphere Distributed Resource Scheduler, DRS. 3. An administrator wants to create a master copy of an existing virtual machine, VM, named Test App, and deploy VMs from this master copy whenever a user requests one. Which method can the administrator use to create a master copy of Test App? Choose the best answer. A. Deploy from an open virtual machine format, OVF, template. B. Convert a template to a VM. C. Clone the VM to a template. D. Create a new VM. 4. Which 2 performance tools can be used to monitor virtual machines outside the guest operating system? Choose 2. A. vCenter Server Performance Charts. B. Task Manager. C. Top. D. ESX Top. E. Perfman. 5. An administrator wants to leverage the processor-specific technology that uses a security extension for securing virtual machines, VMs. This will allow user-level code to define private regions of memory called enclaves that are protected from external access. What does the administrator need to configure to enable VMs to use this technology? Choose the best answer. A. Trusted Platform Module, TPM. B. Virtual Intel Software Guard Extensions, VSGX. C. Advanced Encryption Standard-New Instructions, AES-NI. D. Transparent Page Sharing, TPS. 6. Which step can an administrator take so that vSphere can access patch information if vCenter server does not have Internet access? Choose the best answer. A. Use a web server on the vCenter server machine to automate the transfer of files. B. Install VMware vSphere Update Manager download service on a Windows server. C. Use an offline ISO file to import patches to the vSphere Lifecycle Manager depot manually. D. Install VMware vSphere Update Manager download service on a Linux server. 7. An administrator is tasked with upgrading an existing vSphere environment to version 7.0. There are existing VMFS3 and VMFS5 datastores in the environment. Which statement is true regarding this upgrade? Choose the best answer. A. An ESXi 7.0 host will not recognize a VMFS3 datastore. B. VMFS3 is supported with ESXi 7.0 to store boot configurations only. C. A VMFS5 datastore cannot be upgraded. A new VMFS6 datastore is required. D. An ESXi 7.0 host can automatically upgrade a VMFS5 datastore. 8. What can an administrator use to partition limited CPU and memory resources between two departments? Choose the best answer. A. vSphere distributed switch. B. vSphere high availability. C. vCenter folders. D. resource pools. 9. Which VMware feature should an administrator configure to help manage and delegate CPU and memory resources? Choose the best answer. A. VMware Enhanced vMotion Compatibility, EVC. B. resource pools. C. vSphere Distributed Resource Scheduler, DRS. D. vSphere High Availability, HA. 10. An administrator is tasked with upgrading an existing VMware vSphere 6.5 environment to version 7.0. There are existing VMFS3 and VMFS5 datastores in the environment. Which two statements are true regarding this upgrade? Choose two. A. VMFS5 is no longer supported with ESXi 7.0. B. VMFS3 is no longer supported with ESXi 7.0. C. An ESXi 7.0 host can automatically upgrade a VMFS5 datastore. D. An ESXi 7.0 host will automatically upgrade a VMFS3 datastore when discovered. E. A VMFS3 datastore cannot be upgraded. A new VMFS6 datastore is required.